Hi guys, welcome back to Green Plant Guide. Do you know how to trick tomato for growing healthier or how to grow tomato for ripening faster? Today I'm going to share with you the most useful tips and tricks for produce more healthier tomato. So let's go. Gardeners grow tomato from seeds, starting from the seed tips until the harvesting stage. Seed planting tips. 1. You can plant seeds in a small container. Once they germinate and grow, you can choose the best ones and transplant them to small pots and discard the weaker seedlings. 2. A strong root system will make the plant healthier. At this stage, you must add a source of phosphorus to help the plant produce stronger roots. When the plant reaches to about 8 to 10 inches tall, you can transplant this into the final spot, whether growing in ground or in containers. Maintain about 1 to 2 feet spacing between plants for good air circulation and grow healthier tomato. If you are transplanting into containers, choose a large container, at least 15 inches deep. 4. Planting as deep as possible. You can see the tomato stem has hundreds of tiny hairs, and this, when come in contact with soil, forms stronger roots. During the growth time, you can add some soil with some compost to the topsoil once in a week or 15 days. 5. Removing the bottom leaves. As the plant grows taller, keep removing the older leaves or older branches from the bottom zones. Stacking or supporting the tomato plant is a very crucial step. Using some wooden sticks, you can use the rods and loops or these plastic plant clips to hold the plant to the string without compressing the stem. This is because the tomato stem is tender and if not supported can break easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe Green Plant Guide. Thank you. 7. Pruning and suckers. This is another important trick to get great results. Tomato suckers or sides should appear between the stem and a branch of tomato plant. Removing the sucker is recommended, so reduce the number of growth points because they just pull so much energy from the plant. When we do this, we are tricking the plant into focusing on the production of fruit and flowers. The main reason is to maintain good air circulation, which can prevent many diseases. 8. Sunlight. Tomato love to be a full direct sunlight or at least 6 to 8 hours of continuous sun. So if you are growing on ground and containers, you have to choose a location which receives maximum amount of sunlight. 9. Watering. Tomatoes love to be in moist soil right from the seedling stage. As a general rule, you may have to water them daily and depending on the temperature, you may have to water them even twice. With this method, the roots are well hydrated. I think it's going to be extremely helpful. Also, proper watering is very important to prevent the blossom and rot issue. 10. Soil and fertilizer. You can use potting soil, at least 30% compost, 30% garden soil, and 30% coco peat, plus some 10% other stuff like perlite or vermiculite, and so on. Calcium is very important for tomato. If you think your soil is calcium deficient, you can add an additional source of calcium into the soil to prevent blossom and rot disease. 11. Pollinators. Encourage beneficial insects and pollinators like butterfly and honeybees to encourage pollination and fruit formation. Please don't use chemical pesticides. They can kill these helpful pollinator insects. I will say later about common tomato pests and disease, but always prevention is better than cure. So you have to know a golden tip for healthier tomato from seedling to harvest now. Use aspirin. Spraying aspirin from the seedling stage makes your tomato plant immune to many diseases. You can drop half a tablet of aspirin into 1 liter of water and spray on the plant once in a while, like once in 15 days. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next Green Plant Guide.